2019 was the year of SUVs, be it compact or mid-size. We saw new launches in both the categories. Seltos and Hector both launched in India, and since its launch, both SUVs have done remarkably well in terms of sales. In the month of November, Kia Seltos topped the list of best-selling SUVs. Introduced to the Indian market in August, the Kia Seltos is quite an important model for the Korean brand. Kia Seltos, an international product but Kia's first and currently only offering in India, has scored a 5-star rating in the ANCAP, that is Australasian New Car Assessment Program Safety Crash Test. It scored 85% for adult occupancy, 83% for child occupancy, 61% for vulnerable road user protection, and 70% for its safety assist features. An options pack adds features such as adaptive cruise control, a more advanced version of the AEB system, a blind spot monitor, and a rear cross traffic alert system, all of which improve the vulnerable road user protection and safety assist score by 7% and 8% respectively. The Kia Seltos for Australia differs from the Indian spec SUV in terms of its powertrain options. While the India spec Seltos has 3 engine options, 2 petrols and 1 diesel, in Australia the SUV is available with either a 150 HP 2.0 litre petrol engine or a 177 HP 1.6 litre turbo petrol engine. The Seltos has already become the highest selling model in its segment since its launch in India and propelled Kia to become the 4th largest car maker in the country. What are your thoughts about Kia Seltos? Do let us know in the comment section.